Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by making the classic Zabagliani-style custard. Beat 6 egg yolks with 3/4 cups sugar until pale and ribbon-like. Place the bowl over a simmering water bath and whisk until the mixture thickens to coat the back of a spoon, then remove and cool slightly. Fold 1 cup mascarpone into the cooled yolk mixture gently until smooth, taking care not to overwork it so the texture stays airy. Chill the mascarpone custard for at least 30 minutes before assembling to ensure stability and easier layering. Prepare the coffee soak. Brew 1/2 cups strong espresso and cool to room temperature so it won't break the custard. For assembly, dip 24 ladyfingers briefly, 1 second per side, into the espresso before arranging them in a single layer in a 9x9-inch dish. Do not soak them or they become soggy. Spread half the chilled mascarpone custard evenly over the first layer, then repeat with another soaked layer of ladyfingers, and the remaining custard to create 2 even layers overall for balanced texture. To finish, sift 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder evenly over the top to add classic bitterness and aroma. Cover the dish and refrigerate the assembled tiramisu for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight, so the flavors meld and the layers set firmly enough to slice. When ready, slice into 9 pieces and serve chilled. Garnish with chocolate shavings or a dusting of extra cocoa if desired, and note that tiramisu improves in flavor after refrigeration, making it ideal to prepare a day ahead for gatherings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.